Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesperson Wang Wenbin said on Monday that the forthcoming China-Central Asia Summit is of milestone significance in the development of relations between China and Central Asian countries. The summit will be held on May 18th and 19th in Xi'an, Shanxi Province. Presidents of Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, and Uzbekistan will be in attendance at China's invitation. It is the first major diplomatic activity that China hosts this year, and also the first summit held offline by the heads of state of the 6 countries since the establishment of diplomatic ties 31 years ago. During the summit, the heads of states will review the development of China-Central Asia relations and exchange views on China-Central Asia mechanism building, cooperation in various fields, and major international and regional issues of common interest.